Hey everyone, today we're going to do a video on intercept form. So the basic formula for intercept form is x minus a times x minus b, where a and b, so a comma 0 and b comma 0 are x-intercepts. That is why it's called intercept form. So a graph of this, an example of this may be something like y equals to x minus 2 and x minus 5. And the way you would very roughly draw this would be probably like this, where you have 2 here and 5 here. So how this works is, if you think about it, x-intercept, right? The qualities that define an x-intercept is the fact that y is equal to 0 at that point, which is why it hits the x-axis. So basically, when you have this equation, you set it equal to 0. 0 equals to x minus 2, x minus 5. If you think about it, in order for this to be 0, it means that this or this has to be 0. So that gives me two possible options, as in x minus 2 equals to 0, x equals to 2, which is why you get this x-intercept, and then x minus 5 equals to 0, which is x equals to 5. Now if you think about it, right, once again emphasizing how one or the other has to be 0. If you had x minus 2 times 0, it would still be 0, which is why this makes sense. And if you have x minus 5 times 0, it would also still be 0, so which is why that makes sense. So in SAT, a very simple / common way that this might be asked is this question here. 2x minus 1 times x plus 2 the whole squared equals to 0. What is the solution set to the equation above? So when an intercept form kind of question is asking for a solution, it's basically asking you for these kind of values, okay? So let's do this question. This basically means that I can break into two parts. I like to think of it that way. So 2x minus 1 equals to 0, which gives me 2x is equals to add 1 on both sides, and then x is equal to half, okay? Now for x plus 2 the whole squared equals to 0, then x plus 2 is equal to 0, because if you square root both sides, square root of 0 is still 0, and then x equals to negative 2. So the correct answer is x equals to half and x equals to negative 2, which is answer choice A. That's it. Thank you. Bye.